5 miles per hour. I'm gonna catch up. I'm gonna drive it and then accelerate slowly. Okay.
Okay, go.
All right. What's the plan, Shivam?
Alright, so there's this one part road that's like really straight and like always really empty. So Andy and Archie over here are gonna be longboarding while I'll be driving, and we'll have the drone like flying above us and like following us.